Thank you for the privilege to have a saying on our traditional name. When I was a small kid, I was very fortunate to be able to have the teachings from our tupunas, like Ikinepule, Tungia Viviani, and they're the ones who introduced the traditional style of singing and the old traditional type of singing. You don't use our instruments. And I remember those tupunas in our village. They showed me how to, we had our spear dance one day down at the Lofi. And Mr. Tongia, he showed us, and Ikinipole, showed us how to vilo the katoa. And that's how I was taught. And I wasn't, most of the guys, they just vilo the katoa and just hold it. But I was taught by Tongia just to put the end of the katoa in your palm and just we spin it. So right from that time, because I was very fortunate in those times, like more than Matua before they passed on. I want our children now ke matutaki e tau legacy he had to tola to pun with tau fima with to puhale to pun and do ke tau kori mo tau lolongo mo tau chant ko mo ko kori from to to do e ai e fia hako si mau e mga huia to wa ia mo matua ia si toka ngai de e fia hako ke whakatuma e tau anga mutu he to mutu. Yeah. History hako mo matrenanga ko pin. I was brought up in Samoa, and they were in Malua with the parents. So I was still a kid, and I used to hold him. And one time I hold a pin, a small kid at those times. And we ran on the corridor and we fell over and Ben's mom, Mikiane, she crowded me and hit me, so I cried. I just cried off, and that's how I had that connection with Ben, right from that, whenever I saw him, he's like a real brother, a small brother. That's how I connected with him for a long time when he was still small kids, when our parents are in Malua, and my parents were in Waipuna, in the ministry, the church ministers. Yeah. Haya i tau lala he tau whaenga hua, ne whakaako i tau Niue. Kai whiawhia lau ka hake, tunge natural no ni e Misikea hake ko tau leo whakatangitangi ke hako mui. Longo na ni matiu ni a whale me tātā. Okay, home, so I put a lot of music. And then afterwards, I put lyrics into it. So I put some wordings into it. So that's how we fight those that all along. Listen to the way our ancestors were used to sing and just put some words into it. That's how I want to revive and just grasp onto our traditional matua. Like I said before, I was very fortunate to be part of their traditional upbringing. Thank you.